Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some lovely masala fry fish. Earlier today, Pranesh went to the fish shop and caught me some lovely fresh fish. This fish, which is called the red silvers, and it's 700 gram. This was perfectly cleaned. All I had to do is to recheck and rinse the fish out. For my masala fry, I have my ingredients. That is 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee. And here I have 12 cloves of garlic with a thumb of ginger, finely ground. And thereafter I'm going to use a grind of black pepper and sprinkle of mixed herbs. Here I have 2 tablespoons of oil for the marinade. Why I'm using oil, then it doesn't stick to my frying pan when frying. I have a lemon, of which I'm going to use half of the juice, and I have a teaspoon of fine salt, and thereafter I'm going to use a tablespoon of soy sauce. Firstly, I'm going to marinate the fish with all these ingredients. My mixed masala, and together my hurdee, the ginger garlic, squeezed out the lemon, and then I'm adding a generous grind of black pepper, a sprinkle of mixed herbs, a 2 tablespoons of oil, and my salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to give this a good mix, and thereafter I'm going to let it rest for about 2 hours. Usually you can marinate your fish overnight, so that's how you get in all the spices to seep into the fish. Okay, the fish is all mixed up. I'll allow this to rest for about 2 hours before frying. 2 hours has passed and the fish looked very well coated and marinated. So now I'm ready to fry out my fish. I have my stove on moderate heat and about a centimeter of oil, which is already heated up. Oil is nice and hot. Because I have so few pieces of the fish, so I'm going to fry little at a time. Now my fish is ready to turn. If for some reason you don't wish to fry up the entire lot of fish, so what you can do is, in the same marinade, you can put it in a airtight plastic container and it freezes very well. So whenever you need, you can thaw and fry out. Or you can even make a nice spicy rich curry with your remainder fish. My fish is almost done, but I'm going to give it another one more turn. You don't have to over fry fish, but for some reason people do like crispy fish, so then you have to do it a little longer for it to get crispy. This method can be used to any type of fish. When Pranesh's dad used to go fishing, he used to catch lovely shad and carantines, and he used to like his masala fried crispy fish with lovely white buttered bread. He used to enjoy. We used to enjoy frying our fish on the day that's caught, and it used to taste very fresh. My fish is done, and now I'm just going to take it out. Let's see how beautiful the fish has fried. And now I'm going to start with my next batch of fish. There you go, your lovely masala fried fish with some nice fried chips on the side, which goes very well with buttered white bread, and it also go very well with dal and rice. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.